यानी 4 स्टेट के बच्चों के दरमियान आप मुकाबला करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह। है हिम्मत है?
There is no other school like MAKA, which is a Madarsa.
On the 7th of August 2025, MAKA CBSE School had the honor of welcoming one of the most visionary leaders in Indian education, Dr. Koteswara Rao Padamati, founder and CEO of the Next Gen series of schools and educational services. Dr. Rao, along with the distinguished Dr. Srinivasa Raju, an authority in mathematics education, and Mr. M. Sudhakar Rao, a respected physics academic leader, visited our campus for a comprehensive academic progress review. Their presence marked a significant milestone for our institution, especially as we implement the IIT-JEE and NEET foundation programs starting from grade 6, a transformative initiative aligned with our vision of future-ready education. They interacted directly with students and faculty, examining how the foundation programs are shaping analytical thinking and conceptual clarity from an early stage. The event also celebrated academic excellence, as the chairman of MAKA CBSE School personally honored top-performing students.
और आगे चल के पूरे 62 स्कूल्स के दरमियान आपका मुकाबला हो, यानी 4 स्टेट के बच्चों के दरमियान आप मुकाबला करेंगे इंशाअल्लाह। है हिम्मत है?
We interacted with the managements of more than 500 schools, but there is no other school like MAKA, which is a Madarsa. Generally, what is the public opinion? Even my opinion also. Madarsa means it mainly focusing on the Arabic studies, Islamic studies and Islamic values. And they don't focus on the mathematics, physics, chemistry and the national entrance examinations. Generally, it is the feeling of the society. Even my feeling is also that only. But when I visited MAKA and observed the goals and objectives and observed the dedication of this MAKA management, I realized that out of my experience, as for the observation, among the 5 states and more than 500 schools, MAKA school is only the school. It is a Madarsa and also focusing on the mathematics, physics, chemistry and focusing on the national entrance examination and providing foundation, IIT foundation and NEET foundation to the students from class 6th and 7th onwards. Only the MAKA school out of these 5 states, as for my knowledge, as for my observation. Children, let's congratulate your management for such a great dedication and involvement, children.